To start using the KDS, open the Big POS Pro app first. Open the settings. In the General tab, enable the option of this as local server first. Then, click Kitchen Display System. Click Add Kitchen Display. Now open the Big KDS and you will see the IP address. Let's look for the KDS IP address and click on it. KDS is successfully connected. Remember, KDS and Big POS app must be connected to the same Wi-Fi. If not, you are unable to find the KDS IP address. Let's take an order. Only table mode business need to click the send button to send the order to KDS. If your business mode is auto-generate queue number or assign tag number, just click the pay button and it will automatically send the order to KDS. Click send and you can see the KDS received the order already. You can either hold to drag and drop to change the status, or just click the order. One more click to disappear the order. You also can just drag and drop for one item only. If you accidentally clicked away the order, just click the recall button to restore the order. From the settings, you can turn on or off the order notification sound. You also can customize the time until warning color, time until late color, and time for order auto disappear.